In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an abstract art in 5 minutes. Delete the default cube and create an icosphere. Press Tab to go to Edit Mode, 1 to switch to the Vertex Selection mode and press Ctrl B and V to bevel the vertices. Extrude along normals and delete the selected faces. Press Ctrl 3 to add a subsurf modifier. Add a wireframe modifier. Please match my settings. Create a plane, scale it, and add subdivisions. Add the wireframe modifier and the subsurf modifier. Please match my settings. Add a metallic material. Copy the sphere's material to the plane. We need texture coordinate, mapping, gradient texture and color ramp nodes. Please match my settings. Set a depth of field on the sphere with f-stop set to 0.5. Do the rest of the usual render setup with the Cycles renderer, Filmic, Curves, Denoise and 128 samples. I'm using a cloned Look Dev HDRI map, but you can use any other HDRI maps. Please increase the render subdivisions for the plane mesh. This is the end of the abstract art tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.